In this video, I'm gonna show you how to display all the companies in the front end. First of all, let me open the company list component. Company list component.html. I'm using materialized CSS. So I'm gonna open the materialized CSS. Go to materialize CSS. Open the documentation of materialize. Go to the CSS section. You will find the table here. I'm gonna copy the code from this table. I'm gonna use responsive table. Class response. I'm gonna copy this code table. Let me paste to the company list component.html. I have three properties in the company model: name, and the second property is city, and the third property is address. Let me add address here. Let me run the application. Make sure your MongoDB is running and your application is running on port 3000. I mean your backend project will be running. Let me go to the browser and go to localhost colon 42,000. You will see the table. I'm going to delete this content. Go to the app.component.html. Get rid of this component. Get rid of this HTML. I don't need it. I also need to delete this one. I don't need image here. From H2 to H3, I'm gonna add here companies. You will see the companies. Now I want to show you all the companies record in this table. How can you do it? First of all, I need to create a new container here. I would like to add container div.container. Let me wrap the table inside the container. I'm gonna delete some rows. I only need single row. Now I need to iterate the companies. How can you do it? There is a directive built-in directive ng4 let see. I'm gonna create a new variable of companies. I'm going to use template syntax here. C dot first is C dot name. The second property is city, and C dot city company dot city, and the final I want to add address. Let me go to the browser. You will see that I have successfully displayed all the companies record in this table. You can also set the width of the columns. I'm going to use style width 20%. Let me add the width of city and address to city to 30%, and finally the address would be 50%. It looks good now.